In this video, I'll show you how to find scheduled emails in Gmail in 2026. If this helps you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more quick Gmail tips. First, open your web browser and go to gmail.com. Sign into your Gmail account if you're not already logged in. On the left sidebar, look for the folder called Scheduled. If you don't see it right away, click on More to expand the full list of folders. Click on Scheduled, and here you'll see all emails you've scheduled to be sent later. Each email shows the exact date and time it's set to send. If you want to change or cancel one, just open the email and click Cancel Send. The email will move back to Drafts, where you can edit or reschedule it. And that's it. That's how to find, edit, or cancel scheduled emails in Gmail. Subscribe for more simple Gmail tutorials like this.